What's up everyone and welcome back to the mathematical mindset. So right here we have this nice square root algebra problem and we want to solve this right here. So guys, before we get started, do not forget to join our Telegram channel for exclusive content, updates and math discussion, and the link is in the description below. So all you have to do is to click onto that link and be part of our Telegram channel right here. So guys, let's get started. So the first thing guys you want to do, you want to assume that the expression is a perfect square. So this implies that the square root of 6 minus the root of 35 is equal to the square root of a minus the square root of b. So the next thing guys we want to do is to square both sides. So squaring both sides, we have this to be the square root of 6 minus the root of 35 all square is equal to the square root of a minus the square root of b all square. But the square root of a minus the square root of b all square is equals to a plus b minus 2 into the root of what? ab. So hence, we have this to be, this we cancel out this, so we have 6 minus the root of 35 is equal to a plus b minus 2 root ab. Alright, so at this point we want to simply equate the rational and the irrational part. So equating the rational and the irrational part, we have this to be a plus b is equals to 6, and we have minus 2 into the root of ab is equal to minus the root of 35, right? So we are going to call this equation 1 and call this equation 2. So from here we are going to say from equation 2 we have minus 2 into the root of ab is equals to minus the root of what? 35. So at this point we want to divide both sides by minus 2 right here. So we have this, we cancel out this, 2 we cancel out this, so we have the root of ab is equal to this, we cancel out this, we have the root of 35 divides 2. So squaring both sides, this is going to cancel out this, so we have ab is equal to the root of 35 all square divide 2 square. So ab is equals to this, we cancel out this, so we have 35 divide 2 raised to the power of 2 is what? 4. So hence we have that a plus b is equals to 6. That is from equation 1. A plus b is equals to 6, and we have that ab is equals to what? 35 over what? 4. So at this point we want to simply apply the sum and product of the roots of the quadratic equation, and this is given as x squared minus a plus bx plus what? ab, and this is equals to 0. Alright, so we have this to be x squared minus a plus b is 6, so we have 6x plus ab, which is 35 over 4, and this is equals to 0. So we want to solve this using the quadratic formula that says x is equals to minus b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divide what? 2a, where a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 6, and c is equals to 35 over 4. So at this point we have this to be x is equals to minus into minus 6 plus minus the square root of b square, which is minus 6 all square, minus 4, multiply a, which is 1, multiply c, which is 35 over 4, divide 2 multiply a, which is 1. So x is equals to minus times minus is plus, so we have this to be 6 plus minus the square root of minus 6 square is 36 minus 4 here 1, 4 here 1. So 1 times 35 is 35. Divide 2 multiply 1 is 2. So x is equals to 6 plus minus the square root of 36 minus 35 is 1. Divide what? 2. So we have that x is equals to 6 plus minus the square root of 1 is 1. Divide what? 2. So x is equals to 6 plus 1 divide 2, or x is equals to 6 minus 1 divide 2. So x is equals to 6 plus 1 is 7 divide 2, or x is equals to 6 minus 1 is 5 divide 2. So therefore we have that a is equals to 7 over 2 and b is equals to what? 5 over what? 2. So we have a and b. So we want to simply go right here and recall that the square root of 6 minus the root of 35 is equals to the square root of a minus the square root of b. So at this point we are going to say, recall that the square root of 6 minus the root of 35 is equal to the root of a minus the root of b. So this is equal to the square root of, we have a to be 7 over 2 minus the square root of b, which is what? 5 over what? 2. But we know that if we have the square root of a over b, this is equal to the square root of a divided the square root of b. So we have that the square root of 6 minus the root of 35 is equal to the root of 7 over the root of 2 minus the root of 5 over the root of 2. So at this point, we want to simply what? Rationalize. So rationalizing, we have this to be the root of 7 over the root of 2 multiply the root of 2 over the root of 2 minus the root of 5 divide the root of 2 multiply the root of 2 over the root of 2. So this is equal to root 7 multiply root 2 divide root 2 multiply root 2, we have this to be root 2 all square minus the root of 5 multiply the root of 2 divide the root of 2 all square. But if we have the root of a multiply the root of b, this is equal to the root of a multiply b. So this is equal to the root of 7 multiply 2 over, this we cancel out, this we have this to be 2 minus the root of 5 multiply 2 divide this we cancel out, this we have this to be 2. So this is equal to the square root of 7 multiply 2 is 14 divide 2 minus the square root of 5 multiply 2 is 10 divide what? 2. So we have this to be, we have a common denominator which is 2, so we have this to be the root of 14 minus the root of 10. So we have that 6 minus the root of 35 is going to give us the root of 14 minus the root of 10 divide what? 2, and this becomes the final answer. So guys, this is how you can solve this nice square root algebra math simplification problem right here. And guys, do not forget to subscribe to the mathematical mindset and click onto the link in the description of this video to be part of my community on Telegram.